Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the origami eagle. Its feet are probably going to be the hardest part, and maybe its beak too. We are going to have the colored side up, and then fold it in half.
11 was the day the ocean took my house away. Dust in the air, the sound of smoke, the taste of fear, the seagulls cry. I found your photo in the mud. You had the same old cheeky grin. The blurry scenes run down my cheek. The silent cry is so deafening. Oh Lord, please tell me. I know that you're out there. Won't you comfort me? So many lives, so many questions, so many rivers of tears run to the ocean. What is my life? Why am I here? I'm on the search to find it now, till my final breath. The chaos stumbled in tonight, a mother looking for her child. The images come flooding in, can't make it stop, can't take it back. The stars that glitter up the sky, I've never seen them shine this way. Our darkest night, we lost our light, but you were there, you never left. So Lord, please show me how to heal the scars and the heart suffering. Another life, another reason, another hope for us, another season. What is my life? Why am I here? I'm on the search to find it now. It's not over. Another life, another reason, another hope for us, another season. What is my life? Why am I here? I'm on the search to find it now. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's not over yet.
This fold is called the bunny ear fold, but it's going to be the feet of the eagle.
Life was all about the ride and not the plan. Lately your heart's become divided. Since you goodbye, your sunny skies are clouded. Your tone of voice, the shadows lurking in the dark. Went to your house to see how you were. I knock on your door, but you ignore me, love. Why don't you come to me and rest your tired soul? Everywhere I go, I will let you know. questions on cyberspace. But who's got your back when your world falls down? Who's gonna care when you're not there to see them? Everyone knows if you want love, you gotta give it first. Well, if you wanna stay inside, won't.
This is a mountain fold, so we're going to fold it over like a mountain instead of all of the valley folds that we've been doing.
Where I go, I will let you know.
And then you want to just maybe take note of where this point ends. We're going to fold it on the other side, but if you need a little pencil to mark it or just fold it so that you know exactly where to fold it once you flip it, this will really help.
When you are done with hiding and wanna see the world, you'll know where you can find me.
So let's flip it over,
Let you go very far.
and this is where you want to fold. Right along here.
Every
So we have another mountain fold here,
I will let you know. So you can find me again.
and then
Every
we're going to measure the halfway point
I hope that
and fold it along here like that.
this love will never ever let you go. Go, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Go, yeah, go, I'll never, ever, ever let you go. Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know you're getting old. Every time I catch my reflection, another crease again. It's my unwelcome friend. It seems the lines are getting deeper.
Then you want to repeat on the other side.
The sun looks like it's catching up, and I find myself listening to all the rules that the world keep telling me. Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock. Try this remedy. They'll never know.
Now we are going to make its feet. This is the hardest part.
My makeup. Late nights out playing live. Carefree, just being me. But now I don't leave home.
It might help to use a pencil and mark it. I'm going to mark it for you.
Am I so obsessed? Being just like the rest. And
So first you're going to fold along this line right here where it stops. That's where the fold stops. So first fold the feet back along that line and then fold the part that's sticking out inside.
I hear you whispering so loud. Don't get lost in the crowd.
See how that's kind of created some separation between the leg and the tail. Now repeat on the other side.
March your face.
You're going to feel a little indentation, so
You're getting
if you need to get a pencil, mark it.
time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind
Hold it back
clock.
right there.
Try this remedy. They'll never know. You're
Hold it
getting
back
old.
inside.
Time is everything. Wind back the clock. Wind back the clock.
Should look like this.
Try this remedy. They'll never know.
And now that you have its feet kind of visible, fold it in half like this. Repeat on the other side.
Digging for answers in
Open it up. And then we are going to open, there's a little pocket inside now. If you open up the pocket, the line that you just folded should give you a guide so that you can open it up like this.
when words cannot
You
make
can repeat on the other side.
okay. I wanna hold you in my arms. You can cry if you want. I will not pretend to know the way you feel. Take all the time you need. You don't have to do or say anything. I'll just sit here with you. Anata no tonari de
And now you're going to fold them back so that there's a little bit of blue showing and there's a little bit of white showing.
流してみる今できることは
And then we are going to pull the feet out.
だから心を重ねる
You're going to grab its feet
立ち止ま
and you're going to push this out
の中
and squeeze it
息を
like this. Pinch it right here.
空に月が
It might have looked like this when it first started. You pull it out and squeeze it, and now you have its foot.
I will be here catching your tears. You're not alone.
So the other side, same thing.
No, no, you're not alone. You're not alone. I will be here catching your
And now you have its feet.
tears. You're not alone. No, no, you're not alone.
And then we're gonna make the head. We're gonna fold this in half, just past the blue paper.
Be here catching your tears. You're not alone. No,
Then open it up,
no, you're not alone.
fold it inside along those lines that you just folded.
You're not alone. I will be here.
And then you're going to pull this out,
Tears. You're
similar to the feet. You're gonna pull it out, pinch it,
not alone. No, you're not alone. You're not alone.
and then you are going to manipulate the beak by doing it the same way, but reverse fold.
Your tears. You're not alone. Oh,
Push it in and pinch it.
you're not alone.
We can also make its eyes by just folding that out, pinching it a little bit. Same with the other side.
遠くに映るのはいつ
That's just taking it one step further.
道
Give it some eyes.
の曲がり角サインが消えて
And lastly, we want to pull the wings out a little bit. You curl them a bit, so you could use a spoon, some scissors, or even your fingers to roll it,
あなたを
like so. And there's your eagle. I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!